Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The Retreat, the name says it all. This stunning villa land area is approximately 6.74 acre and is located in the exclusive gated neighborhood of Spring Farm Estate, St. James. The property comes with 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It's perfect for a vacation home or possibly a development. The main features of this property are the heated pool in the heart of the villa, its airy living space, and the front and back entrances in both bedroom and an expansive view of the Caribbean Sea. The retreat comes with several amenities, plus access to the nearby Half Moon Beach and Golf Club. The property is in close proximity to the airport, a hospital, and several resorts. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US $3,760,000. To purchase or make an offer, please please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.